Hi, GCDs. Deba Olivia Aquawa. Hadia latest and hot news in Kwa and I'm the Bremo. I don't see so when you subscribe we are Bomodi and say over subscribe to the channel. The way I have to say over click it the subscribe button. Now a belly notification. We answer new video PRA upload. Also what's our ever can be. After we are now like video and give us a thumbs up. Now feel share my offer for so now when you be here now and summer and also. Afi yekuti eye sema apeto ye prof yenti sankomo ya airport yeti
ene obi send me question na obi sa me say what say me say Ghana into be nkobobosia na eba ne sen na Ghana as a sovereign country into mean see abontin say okwabobosia, but how possible can that be? A simple answer to that particular question, because say o amanone na ye see the iPhone aba, you see the MacBook aba, then I say for no, na say o pese okoje na wunkra cash, na pese we use o credit score na do koje a. Omo hwe wa bra ba wa bo in terms of usika wunya kwan afa so a o spend usika income wunya na kwan in the past no sika waje kwan afa so o tuatua na say for no nyina. There are agencies a ye weti and they give people credit score. Sa credit score no ema we worthy in the face of any transaction. So obi ton ade na say wo kwa akogibia, then the person will be assured say oh nipa we a good track record, and so we gina sa track record no so na what the ade na manner. There is this assurance that the person will be able to pay, because anya hwe ne salary say no nya, month no say no nya, nti eto de eden kra na you are sure say that person will get his money. Sana or mine etie. You don't just get out there say oh sorry I said Kwaku Bobosia and okoi or mom ti ho mo babosia no say be as o munim nyansa nti no matter musika the amount. No. Omonso at the national level no, there are agencies omonso no emma or mine you fancy credit ratings just like individuals at the various levels no. And over the years no maka obi to say Fitch, obi to say Moody's, obi to say S&P and others are omona rating countries amount that particular credit score based on or economic life as a country. Okay, whether your debt is sustainable, or taxes are what mejeje, a car what the amount for then as a form or book canning bomano mojina so we say or man we are credit worthy and to say as soon as it in the sika mawa ubetimetua. Over the years, kakra krasa na ye, but ya babe drew a pointer. Your credit score as a country no is so horrible to the extent say yen to me fan ko Togo krasa ya Kwaku Bobosia ama Togo mausika, because obie no a ojiwudi akwa say obiti America na wakwaje ya fan say ya iPhone ba akwaje Samsung ba akwaje we make kan sika onya in a month no chese entumi ntua ba akokora bo na waje agu ho bebre era ontumi ntua na ka no amemene no. The next time no okoba bi se wokwaje ade obie no ho de be ma sa na ye de na akwakoye enti abra obekaya President Akufo Addo ba ele no Ken Ofori Atta hyase bobosia bi okroma ema obia kan bi se kwan ya yafa so aye bobosia yi de say yanhwe yi a World Bank country director eba kroma be ma ye warning say no kwan ya yafa so aye bobosia na yanhwe yi, but they didn't listen. So time na you access to your friend saying the bond market hono kwa uko floating bond na there are commercial space amount for say omon fa so no mo pe nti once our floating bond na the coupon rate na say at the end of the day no the sika no benya mfa so wo so they will buy the bond, get you the money, but in the end no you pay the money. And the obas who said that particular space near so easy for us no and not to see her. And you raise it 3 billion, no, I raise it 2 billion, no, I raise it 3 billion. Na Ghana for kasa that point, you know, what you say you're moving, we were all over on radio and TV talking about this thing, and people thought, Omokoba, no more ye kenke party, your money, Sika ye can ya bossian, ye g agugu ho, ye ne buy a so not a space of 4 years, no, na ya bobosia almost bear 13.2 billion within a short space of 4 years. Because oba the year first year after not ye kokwa GB a hon sem bebre buy e yes scandal kese e wo kroma say your friends are Frank Templeton a hon sem bebre buy the following year oko rezi 3 billion. The following year, Kwaji 3 billion. The following year, Kwaji 3 billion. 2022, and I see a Kwaji Bio Makajas post there. Because and Kratana Modiba 2 and Nim Hasamode Baba Jabosiano. And net more minor, the air coso honor and Talio. Enti Papa Mobecamon Sama Mon Camon Semie. A hawk and almost see a few one who said no. San a cana yadeno. A car state-owned companies in the enterprise did the air or mine sicano. Your finance are quite year free. Your debt stock no so. And to whom a canna, Ubemuzo, a buying car or DNA, but me say cocoa board the car, cocoa board in Yamama Median and your papa dear, your mine and several other state-owned enterprises and the Kenya now, Kafumswa, Utum say, your debt level no at a crisis level where you're here in ye. Bond market in Kwandia na Makawa Samuel, then other countries such China they or no or their car and the sum or mine fidie because or he's ready to give you money, but China sika on fan check and over make sure say sika no dear man no is so attractive to the sense of kwajia you default, you can't pay and into the near default no. And the culture some of the countries are more default in terms of repayment of Chinese debt at the end of the day. Ya jejeje obinumo japade ne nasefo no around Africa ha yenuan no mobom bembembe ye wote they see was Sri Lanka and other places because China is not a charity organization or ordinary sika bechawo enti Ghana ye dia ekọ akokam ye ntumi ntua Paris Club omonso no moma bosia eho ye kokogye bi wo ho ene several other way enti ene credit score na anka ye de kose your credit worthy, your track record near Monshaso, Namamaya Bosiano, or my rating a junk, and a risk, high risk status. And there is no financial institution or your sensible or your reasonable what the side and could anymore over time the amount. Because what is Sikano Mananas Kokama, if it's all insurance company, they will not cover for that particular debt because Amra would Sikano money panel. Not all indicators just said on to mintia yet o course the man to be catch us and Negan and to be Bobosia is the reason why and yes I did be a brabo bonia yabo bosiana yabo no sebian kwasia so ayanwena nipa kan no mufi say we were doing politics no and then I can boa no be through a point here aban who said no there is nowhere abonti on kwakwaje bosia enti esisa no de ba ye ne aban dan nania be see Bank of Ghana and this Obakaya 2022-2023 there na Bank of Ghana adan printing press and now yet printed CD bebre gum because there was no way government could contract any loan outside sika kakra betimi anya ne say World Bank dey dan ya obama kakra bi now they show half and you contracted this IMF your friends saying bailout package where you 3 billion and mabum and this has council won't be from kudin class and the government relied on Addison, our Bank of Ghana, and a normal prentice Sikasabi to cover some of the bills because Sikano on already a cana enti or more Cassie intimate Bobusi and BM. Nasika as a Yajiji or Chroma could cost a debt and so Sasikano ma yen to be Konkutia. So officially, no, so post COVID countries are or more declared bankrupt. Our Africa has a first country to do that was Zambia. Ghana was the second country to sound the alarm bells and no. We are defaulting on your external your saying payment. So bakaya na President Adenkra Germany ambassador Germany finance minister oba Kroma say onko country China for so momwine because na IMF akachire and say answer na yebetimi bag that 3 billion deal no na say omo ye de omo ka nyina ye de omo koka mo te ase say ombema ye mere and that is exactly what happened na sasika sem no hu a na hu say na enkoye enti sika na yagege ye na nasefo no nyina na there was nowhere betim de atua yeka ne nasefo no enti ye default wo ho enti yeka no sum ho dabi ye betua bisa say dabi no sa amra na nkufo yo mo boss ankwase abosia we ye na mate say ebinum yare go hospital ebinum anya stroke ebinum aye say by the time am no ye betua ka no they will not be around that eka no sum ho ye ba betua ena ekọ ya be wie krom ha se aban sika aban ede ye ne nema no normally eya ne nya aban ko sika eya individual sika ebinum de top treasure bill ebinum invest in other enterprises and government etimi fa sika no de ye ne nema nti emre bi so na watua sika no so aban se do ontumi ntua because sika ni ho enti enya foreigners nkwa na yaka cho mo se ntumi ntua yaka no na ni nyina baaye because ahyase no ye bo nkwase abosia boye ma manfo kan ho asam kan yaka ya ban na ntie because Ken Ofori Atta na obobosia no and according to report nipa na campaign na ye mediator na odi anim yakobobosia no yakwakobobosia na you need a campaign na obedi anim to do the lead negotiation then as for a campaign that was related to him in the end he get his cut so story ne be trend ya my ne amam for brushing aside but what remains reality is a Canada tambo I ne Ghana for modi omusika koto government bond then as for no nyina no sasi kana nam adena no endi sa wote say yes Ghana entimi nkobobosia enye se bibia na asi ayese ya na tie abrabo na ye sha ase 2017 2018 2019 2020 na to ma koduru ba bia na aban enye no kwafo aban akira se wabo wordless life untumi rely you can't trust the Akufo Addo government enti ye declare then we came to Bank of Ghana and I had the pressure in a basic address so on printing sikamayen into Bank of Ghana but dane printing press and as you can say ya printy and a printing go amount for them near do back quite recent do who say videos be a surface on social media 200 note bundle no
back for news
box in this there may video you saw some of the videos that is what they did
hot news
apart from some for packet dollars a go with them most of the cities now no more printing ended up in a man for rooms and as of why you saw some of the videos on social media area no and I'm saying yeah print sika boomba system no economics you can cheat it there were more money in the system and the inflation issue 2 year because the rate of production no as slow but sika was system no so you have a lot of cash chasing few items the prices will go up and inflation your friends saying track the rise in your friends prices of goods and services and the more money in the system few items to buy so inflation rise ya may could do 52 and the event na happen e bien who is kwa and say a siba kwa e wo effect no very like a chain and I call and the AC wa ha no a driver ya kwa affecting nema bia enti Bank of Ghana in a single year ombakachira and say omaboka to a tune of about 60 billion in the history of this country no been see that but omo come for omo die nothing happened to them a hon sense am ye ka ye so the question about why Ghana into yeka because there was a time and every year we were supposed to pay about 50 billion in debt your friends saying servicing way o can't nina boma but yentumintia because you can't just say na saying kakanda wa ha no mudidi nsem hunu amamfo ewia enti say na wo de kwakutua woka enye se sika ni ha o sika no kro no mo de boy ya wie ni nyina free system num and nobody holds anybody accountable enti bosia na Ken Ofori Atta kwaje buy 13 billion ne okotam no si wo na wo de abadi na chi se on chiro de ode ye ya one hwe ya wo de ahamtie babu na kunu because o nyanya nsasemba kokora nka nchiro na o mashi sika no ene ka no so ya nkotua ene da ho eda ya ni aye babetua enti se wote se obi se Ghana entumi nkobobosia na ehun nchirechire mu a eda ho no enye se obi sorry ya ote ba bia na oka se omma Ghana bosia abrabo aye boy Akufo Addo na wo fase no okofo mo ba ban no mu ba yo mo so mu obi a Ken Ofori Atta thought self being at the finance minister no some kind of chacha bi no de o man no ba beto who say we can have access to cash in the bobosia no sa to do a point Akufo na ni bo mo say nkrata mo de ba yanim ha ba ka kire say mo de ba bobosia yi nkrata yi mu ya dedodo but bosia mo age in the past no it doesn't reflect it when any ba ho omo peja mo nkrata ma no mo say even aban financial statement in some of the abonten no different from the World Bank report and several other the financial institutions like Bloomberg IMF report you could see clearly say in terms of deficit buying a report to different figures then World Bank is reporting different figures in terms of your debt World Bank accounts and for and this is the first time and government is also saying another thing. So such that discrepancies were so large to be ignored. So these institutions are well alarmed, and Abra, all the institutions who said they will go deeper into our depth. They realize that no, and I kata so because what we present to a man for out there, no, that is not the real state or the economic state of this country, and that also money bre and yes, udu sika bragana usika become bra ya bre and sana yetimi restructure most part of our debt and ama ye ho ahenhan ye enunti yentumi enko ye ni nkonko jeposia. That is just by the way. So back to the issue of galamsey and make ho asem. Galamsey fight, no. Enya de bia, there is no real commitment. Say obi fight galamsey. My catcher say what that sorry now who me TV so who me have fans obi fight galamsey. See it as a joke. Nobody's fighting galamsey. A PR way keke and people are just running around it because the entire made said that over starting why we cannot borrow. If we cannot borrow, so where revenue in your free kroma or track here ain't me your mind way. Because you can't kakana in your common for a same and your budget always is in deficit because we project the amount of money able use in a year. No, I feel a switching the yebenya, and the differences has always been like sometimes 40 million, sometimes 30 just a son. And always and always, you need extra funding to be able to take care. And over the years, you rely on Bosnia to take care of Sikana Kam, and here is the case that won't mean Bosnia. And the question as I'm going to be saying, Sikan have found a bifraba. The country need to run. Sikana see you be my mom for BB. And the only avenue I assure by the Benyasika, I galamsey. Maybe you are not following the conversation. Yen to be Mabosian. Yaka yadi to Mintia. Revenue Nigeria Chroma enough to kick it up that, but the Ayan do no always there is a shortfall. The ya project is a yebedino esum, the Ebenya Eka Krabi. So the only way I able to mean Sika Kradi by the Ebayan say, Yam to a man from Gum to galamsey. So this galamsey thing now, where a government, your friend is saying, and a tire is the reason why and yet and crown to a family could do canon for these are ministers of state and this gentleman didn't appear galamsey in every single investigation be appear with Krum Habiano Mrekuduka Edinum and Akufo Addo I am the minister of state and several other people. These are people who own companies in mining areas. I'll move to the point say ya the ally aba Emma president of Hong man mama for Aquemian Samunko Forest Reserve. Amunko too. No among 200 Benyasika. So maybe people have become so emotional and the core issues, among four are not bringing it out. So a source of money for a buying because don't forget you go into an election year. IMF Sika no the amounts are 350, won't mean find out budgets what they call elections. No. So the only way party Benyasika they are running this campaign, they say, mama phone to galamsey and until at all levels, and the DCE, party chairman, ministers of state, people who are very close to the president, almost everybody is in the forest mining. And you think the president will stop them? He cannot. Because me say bad governance, it's like a stench. The consequences are very overriding and very consequential. You don't run a government aground and expect to go scot-free. So it's a change and that is why today galamsey are so pervasive to the extent that powerful forces are the very people who are doing galamsey. Galamsey, more bianca nada and young cram need even a software case for more crew, my do now to galamsey, unima me catch. There are high-ranking, prominent individuals are omunyine to galamsey e wo kroma say.
The waiting for winning and someone at the toy you proceed. because GCU so and our so we can subscribe ya Bomodi and say we best subscribe to the channel that we will like the video no the Kwaku Annan share ma of so na when you be here na who and some of the will go also getting actually what we are finding somewhere now I will comment box in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.